Hey, welcome to Campaign Codex. Got a new beta coming out. There's been big changes on the back end. Everything's been changed to app v2, which means it's all Foundry 13 native, no legacy or depreciated stuff, and it'll set us up nicely for Foundry 14 when it comes out. We've got a bunch of UI improvements and quality of life stuff, so let's jump on in. Here we've got a Campaign Codex sheet. You'll notice a few changes. We've got a remove image button, so you can click on that and it will remove the image. You can change the subtitle to whatever you feel like, and you can also change out this icon by clicking on it. If you don't like the default icon, you can select a new one, and you'll also notice that in the tabs here, every sheet now has an inventory. Inventories also have a box where you can put in for a held currency if you want to have a hoard, which is a certain amount of gold, or want to keep track of how much a shop owner has. And each inventory can be switched between loot mode and not. You'll notice on the entry sheets that the hide inventory button has gone. That is because it is replaced with this little cog down here. And so every sheet you can change the name of a tab. You can decide to hide tabs if you want. You can even hide the image, and that will update on a per sheet basis. If you want to change it for every sheet, you can go edit defaults here or jump onto the core settings, and it's available in there as well. And that will bring up this box. So say for regions, you didn't want the regions to show any journals, you could uncheck that and save the changes. And you'll see here that journals are no longer in the sheet. And if we go to this edit overrides, it is grayed out and we can't make any changes to there. But we can just re-enable it or reset to defaults. And it will come back. If you have been using our previous beta, you will see that we've got our widgets here, and let me grab another sheet here, and you'll notice that your codes to get the widgets to render on the information tab no longer work. That is because they have all been migrated and they all work slightly differently now. There is a script that will be available on the Patreon post and in Discord. You just run the script and it'll migrate all your current widgets into the new style. And once you've done that, you can jump into this widgets tab, and you will see they are all there. To add widgets, you can click on the little eye icon, and this will show you all the available widgets to add. And you can add more than one to a widgets tab as well. So you can have multiple maps if you want. Campaign Codex comes with this world map widget one, where you can add pins. You can drag and drop journals, which you can click on and open. And you can right click on these as well to edit and change the icons around and the colors and stuff to kind of whatever you want. And if you resize out a window, sometimes because this kind of goes by calculated size, you might need to click center map just for it to not have a bad time, I guess. There are other widgets available. DMCal from Discord has been great. He has created a few. So if you grab onto the documentation or onto Discord, go down to widgets. We've got a widgets directory here. So you can install these modules and then they will show up here once you've got them enabled in your world. If you want to create your own custom widgets, there's some documentation around that. And if you do, make sure you let us know and we can list them in this directory. I will be adding more widgets as updates go along as well. But it's very modular and it can do anything you want within here, basically. Let's jump on out to our table of contents. This has had a little bit of a facelift as well. on the tags. So now you jump onto the tags, you will see a list of all the tags that are available with a number next to it, and that will show the number of entries beneath that tag. And you can also like click out and get to it as well. Also, there is a slight change to the API for opening the table of contents. You can now put in a string to indicate what tab you want it to open to. So here we've got quests, and if we execute that, it will open up to the quests tab. Another big change is to the map markers. So as you know, the core Foundry way of map markers work is if you drag a journal over it, it will drop a little book icon and you can customize it as you want. With Campaign Codex sheets, you can drag and drop them to the map, and if the name is set up correctly, it will create this custom map marker. The way the name works or gets passed is it looks for a optional character letter followed by up to 3 digits, and then an optional character, and then it will look for like a colon or a dash or a space. And once you've done that, it will dynamically update. So you could have it like just 1 if that's all you wanted. You could have it like 1A or 300, A301, and they will all change as you do them. Jumping on to the groups, there's been a bit of a change here. You will notice that the tabs at the top have moved to the side for the main view. This is just so we've got some more room when we get to the selected sheets. So these are pretty normal. You've got your info, you have regions, and as you can see here, we've got this icons come through, locations, inventory as per normal, NPCs, which you can still filter down, and we've got quests, which you can link on, click on the names to get through to the quest givers. We've got our journals here, which you can just drag and drop onto there, remove if you want. And you also have widgets, and you can click send to map if it goes a bit weird. There's unfortunately not much I can do with the underlying code to this one, but yeah, if it looks a bit wonky, the send to map button will fix it all up. And then you've got your DM notes. On our tree view down the side, I've kind of tightened it all up a little bit. And the rest kind of back end of it is a little bit more efficient as well. But it all kind of works the same. You can expand them all out, contract them back. You can have it so you can see items in your list if you want. Clicking on them will open up the item sheet. You can have it so it hides or shows NPCs or tags as well. And you can jump through to a tag view and see items underneath the tags. And then if you click on a selected sheet, for example, you'll also notice the icons follow you through here, and on the table of contents as well. You will notice they'll follow through here as well. So here you see you've got your selected sheet tabs going across. If we jump over and, for example, remove journals from it, you'll notice that the journals has disappeared from there. And if we go back and re-enable journals, you'll see the journals tab is back. But these are pretty standard stuff. Your tags will appear beneath the name, and you've got your title and your subtitle here. And then you've got your regions and locations, entries, NPCs, tags, and then any inventory that might be there, quests, journals, and then any widgets that might be under there. So we'll grab this one, for example. and you got widgets you can view under there as well. Then any notes, and then you can as well open the sheet out. So it's kind of tightened up a little bit by moving those off to the side. It gives us a little bit more room to get our content in there. But I'm hoping to get this out about a week after it goes through beta, because a lot of the backend has changed. A lot of it has become a lot more efficient, and I really look forward to getting your feedback, any bug reports, so that we can like iron out anything before we push this to public. Jump onto Discord and Patreon. Put in your bug reports, any feedback, share any widgets that you've created or ideas for widgets that you want. That would be awesome. So, thanks.